guys, I'm so glad you guys are here for another episode of Verdure Herbs by Rashita Joy. And I'm going to be talking to you about the #1 bestseller of my store, which is the Fresh Start Detox. Okay, we're going to go over just a few things in this video: why you need to detox, how often you should detox, and even the taboo side of why people say you don't need to detox. Let's discover that as well, as I'll mention a few of the herbs that go into the Fresh Start Detox. And if you guys have questions, please make sure you leave questions in the comment section below. If you find anything useful or you're like, oh, I didn't know that, give this video a thumbs up only after you found some information useful. I don't like to do the whole give me thumbs up and subscribe unless you found something that you found thumbs up worthy and subscription worthy. All right, so let's jump into this. Okay, so Verdure Herbs Fresh Start Detox comprises of 4 different supplements. Okay, we have the blood and lymphatic, we have the parasite and worm, you also get a colon flush, and to top it off you'll get nourishment. Okay, so you'll use all 4 of these inside of your detox. They all come with 100 capsules each, so this means that this detox will be about 20 days or so. Okay, you can do it for 7 days, 14 days, or 20 days. All right, so what I really do love about this Fresh Start Detox is that it's covering all bases. It's doing a full body cleanse. All right, and I think my favorite out of the 4 supplements is probably the parasite and worm. This cleanse will cut that sugar craving that, like, you know, after you eat food or eat dinner, you're like, I want something sweet. This cuts it. Okay, they work really well all together, but that's probably like the parasite and worm cleanse is like the one I could feel the most. Okay, you'll start noticing detox symptoms, like you may feel a little lightheaded, you may feel a little dizzy, like you may feel sick, right? Because things are leaving your body, toxins are leaving the body. So you may feel a little tired, you may feel a little lethargic, you may have a bunch of energy. Okay, you may start noticing things like, oh my gosh, I'm smelling a little different. That's because the toxins have to come out of your body from somewhere. Okay, they'll come through your pores, they'll come through your urine, they'll come through your stool. The toxins will need to dispel some type of way. So you'll start noticing all kinds of different things happening while you're detoxing. Okay, even your tongue, if your tongue is not like red, your tongue's always been a little cakey white, you'll start noticing that your tongue will start clearing up. Your taste buds will start clearing up. Like I said, they all work well together and each one has its own purpose. So the colon flush is to cleanse the colon, okay? To move old feces throughout the large intestines, getting it out of your body, okay? That's the main reason why you're getting a colon flush. You have to flush your colon in order to prevent disease, in order to have good immunity, to feel better, to even be happy. Okay, most of those hormones are in our gut. Okay, the blood and lymphatic cleanse is to make sure that you're cleansing out any kind of bacteria out of your blood, cleansing out your kidneys, cleansing out your livers. If you have any skin conditions, that's what the blood and lymphatic cleanse will do. Because the lymphatic system, as we spoke of before, is like a sewer for your for toxins throughout the body. Okay, so you want to make sure your sewer system is working well, so you need the blood and lymphatic cleanse. Okay, and then you have the parasite and worm cleanse, and like I said, that will dispel any parasites or worms, right? Bad bacterias that's living up in your gut. Okay, it will dispel that. It also gets rid of yeast and candida. If you have a problem with reoccurring yeast infections, or you're having some candida in your mouth, or whatever illness you may be suffering with, it will eliminate yeast and candida. And the last one, which is very, very special, is called nourishment. Okay, because in this cleanse you will be using the bathroom quite frequently, and the nourishment really helps, one, making sure you're getting in your greens. It's like a super green supplement. So making sure you're getting your greens for nourishment, but it's also going to help balance hormones, okay? Because we know even for men, if you have too much estrogen in your body, estrogen meaning, you know, you got a high body fat, you know, even women with high body fat, having a lot of estrogen in the body, you need nourishment, which is full of things like broccoli and spinach and greens and super greens that help balance your hormones, okay? So it all works together in a perfect combination. You can go to the website at verdureherbs.com and you can look and see exactly how to take each supplement. Everything is all there, okay? And really one important thing when you are detoxing is that you wanna make sure that you're eating at your best. For as long as you decide to detox, I recommend you could start with 7 days, you could do 14 days, you could do 20 days, okay? Make sure you're eating at your best, because it's something like, you know, trying to, I don't want to call your body a trash can, but let's just say you're trying to clean a trash can with trash still in the trash can, okay? Like you're trying to clean out the trash can, but you still got trash in there. No, you need to take out the trash, right? Which is what you're doing with the herbs. Take out the trash and clean the trash can, okay? So don't try to be putting more trash in the trash can as you are trying to clean it out. That doesn't make any sense, okay? So basically what I'm saying is when you are cleansing, you really want to eat clean food, no animal products, okay? You want to eat plant-based fruits and vegetables and grains to help your body actually cleanse itself, okay? You can't eat Chick-fil-A and say I'm detoxing and think that it's really going to work. It's counterintuitive. It won't work, okay? So some good times to detox. I love the principle. You probably heard me speak of it before. Every season, you should be detoxing. Every change of season, you should be detoxing. Because we are a part of the earth. We are a part of nature. And as the leaves fall on trees and flowers begin to bloom and the rain starts coming, we need to be changing our insides and what we're eating as well. For example, you go to the grocery store, in the summertime, you're gonna see peaches and plums and watermelon. And in the wintertime, you start seeing squash and apples and things like that. Well, we can't still be consuming watermelon and peaches in the wrong season, okay? According to your climate, all right? So you wanna make sure that you're detoxing and cleansing your body. So every 3 months, and then every 3 months, your cells start to regenerate, your blood starts to regenerate every 3 months. So it's really good to give it a fresh start. Another amazing time to do a detox is when you start a new fitness regimen, or you're starting something new. It's a great time to actually start detoxing your body. Now, there are a lot of people out there that may say things like, you don't need to detox. As long as you've got a liver and you've got kidneys and you've got, breath and air, you don't need to detox. And I believe that they would be completely true if we weren't in this time and day and age that we are right now, okay? Right now, we have more toxins than we've ever had before, and we can give our body an assist. And I love to say that, right? Give your body an assist. Because even 50 years ago, we didn't have processed food, and we didn't have pretzels that came in a bag, and we didn't have, lotions that make your body glitter, and all those types of things that we put on our skin. We put toxins in our skin. The water quality is a lot different. There are so many reasons why we have to assist our body in a cleanse, okay? So it's very important that you get on board with the cleanse. Every 3 months is ideal, but even if you did it twice a year, that would be really, really great, okay? Some benefits that you'll see is that, your skin will start to clear out. Your taste buds will go back to normal, right? Like, you ever had something, you're like, oh, everything just needs salt. Everything needs salt. That means that it's time to reset your taste buds, and you could do that with the cleanse, okay? If your tongue is kind of white and it's not red or pink, you need to detox. That could be a sign of candida in your gut showing up on your tongue, okay? Body odor. If you notice that you're smelling a lot and you're changing deodorants, it's time to do a detox, okay? And in the midst of your detox, if your stomach, even if your stomach is getting like a little big, you're like, oh gosh, I don't know what's going on. I keep gaining weight in my belly. It's time to do a detox, all right? Some side effects or some things that you'll notice when you're detoxing is, one, your skin will start to clear up. But before your skin clears up, your skin could get worse, right? Just being honest with you. Because when you have toxins inside of your body, they will release some kind of way. They'll come through your stool, they'll come through your urine, they'll come through your skin. So you might see a few more breakouts coming. But don't worry, that means the toxins are leaving the body. You're trying to find a way out, okay? You'll also notice that, I don't know, maybe my breath smelling, my underarm smelling, or other areas of my body like smelling. Again, the toxins need to come out of your body, so they're going to come out one way or another, okay? And the other thing too is like you'll be using the bathroom quite frequently during this detox because most of us don't use the bathroom, have stool bowel movements as often as we should, and you have to make sure that you're going to the bathroom after every meal, and most of us don't. So you need the colon flush, which is an assist in getting out toxins, getting out old food, processed food that likes to stay in the body. Did you guys know that sometimes beef can possibly stay in your body for up to 2 weeks? Go ahead and get the colon flush to help you assist getting that out, okay? Foods are just made really differently than they ever been made before. So you really want to make sure that you are detoxing. Now, I don't want to be biased, but I just love Verdure herbs. I feel really good. You will use the bathroom a lot. I did want to tell you that. And you can find the instructions on how to do the detox at verdureherbs.com. There's a whole sheet. It comes with the free meal plan with some options of things that you can eat. If you've never eaten plant-based before, it'll give you a meal plan, some rules to follow, and you'll be successful, okay? And if you guys do get the kit, please make sure that you leave a review. Okay, leave a review. Tell me how you liked it. I would love to know. This would all help me out greatly. Okay, so I'm really excited for you to try it. Let me know if you have questions about detoxing, anything I can assist you with. But leave this conversation knowing you definitely need to detox at least twice a year to assist your body in cleansing itself. Bye, guys.